Oh, that's definitely gone in. Hello, inflatable fans. I hope you're all well. I'm out damaging this boat again today. This poor little thing that I just keep buggering up. So those are the early repairs. Those are the ones that have been on for 14 months now. Those are two that I did last year. These are ones I did last year. These are the ones I did just before Christmas, the tenacious tapes. What I have done with the tough tape one, the integrity's starting to go. So I've put another tape patch over that just to hold that in place. Today though, all of those repairs there were based on just little stabs with a knife. But what I want to do today is a bit more of a rip. I want to do something a bit more that simulates like a tear if you sort of like got stabbed with a twig. So that's what I'm going to do. And I've got some tear aid tape which I'm going to use to fix it, because tear aid's been one of the better ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a patch out of this for the size that I want. I'm only going to make like a little inch tear just about here, and I'm going to cut a patch out already ready. And the idea being it's to stimulate the fact that, okay, so you're out of the water, you've got your tear aid, you know you've got your hole, you cut your piece out, you inflate your boat, and then you just stick this over the top. That's the plan. Right, so I've cut the patch out, I've cut the corners off just to round them off a little bit, and we're going to do this about here, and that should be enough. So this is a bit of a weird one. I've never done this one like anything like this before. Oh, that's definitely gone in. Right, so we've definitely got some air coming out of that. So all I'm going to do is now peel this off, which always seems to take ages, and just slap it straight on. I'll start at the middle. I don't know why, but this isn't sticking. Oh, that's bad. I'm going to have to send this back. Right, plan B. Right, we're losing air, we're losing air. I kind of want this relatively firm. I'm not cutting the corners. Actually, I've got time to cut the corners off now I've got air going in. I can really feel that coming out here. So basically it's going in and straight out. At least this one feels sticky. Right, so straight on. So the tape I've actually used is the fake tenacious tape, that one. And I think that'll hold. The last one held. So that's inflated. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mule this back. It's about 1.5 miles back to where we've started out this morning, and we'll see what it's like when we get back. Right, so I'm in the boat and I've got this one attached to the back. I'm going to mule it. You can probably see there's an orange strap there. So yeah, I'm going to mule it back, and then we'll see what the outcome is. So we're about halfway back. It still feels firm as anything. It's looking promising. Right, we've made it back. Let's get that out of the water and have a look at the integrity of the repair. So previous repairs, that's where I've just put the patch over the tough tape. They're all alright. This is today's rip. That's not bad. I'm trying to get in so you got the best shot of it there without getting the light in. There we go. So yeah, that rip, you can clearly see it there. And the tape. This was fake tenacious tape, which was the same as this one. I think I've been sold a dodgy batch of tear aid, so I'll be sending that back. So yeah, fake tenacious tape, all good. So that's all for this little video. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you've got any questions, by all means ask them. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. You know what to do about liking, sharing, subscribing, all that jazz. Cheerio.